Hello everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. If you forget your iPhone password and cannot use or access the iPhone screen, don't worry. In this video, I will help you unlock your iPhone without a password. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Use the Forgot Password option. This is the simplest method and does not require a computer. For the iPhone, your device must be running iOS 17 or later. If you forget your password and enter it incorrectly multiple times on the iPhone, a Forgot Password option will appear at the bottom of the screen. You can select this option to start the iPhone reset process, which will erase all data and the lock screen password, so you should back up your data in advance. The system will then prompt you to enter your Apple ID password to sign out. Click Erase iPhone to confirm the reset. After completing the reset process, your iPhone will be reset and you can set it up as a new device or restore data from iCloud backup. Method 2. Use Apple devices to restore iPhone. If you cannot see the Forgot Password option due to an outdated iPhone version or network issues, don't worry. Your Apple device can assist you. First, connect the iPhone to a computer. Then press and release the volume up button. Press the volume down button and finally hold the power button until the iPhone enters recovery mode. Next, open your Apple devices, or you can open Finder or iTunes. The system will then prompt you to choose Restore or Update. If you do not want to upgrade the system, it is recommended to select Restore. However, note that both options will erase data on the iPhone, may be slow, and have a risk of errors, so use this method with caution. Additionally, I strongly recommend using tenorshare 4U key. Method 3. Reset iPhone using 4U key. If the previous methods have failed, you can use this method to unlock your iPhone. I highly recommend tenorshare 4U key. It is easy to use and compatible with most iPhones and iPads. You can find the download link for 4U key in the video description. First, put your iPhone into recovery mode. Connect it to your computer, then press and quickly release the volume up button. Press the volume down button and finally hold the power button until your iPhone enters recovery mode. Next, launch 4U key and select Unlock iOS screen. 4U key will automatically detect the firmware required for your device. Click Download and patiently wait for the firmware to finish downloading. Then click Start to begin the removal process. This process takes about 10 minutes, so please be patient. Once the removal process is complete, your device will return to normal and you can set it up again. These methods can help you unlock your iPhone. Please note that all methods will erase the data on your device. If you haven't backed up, you may lose data. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.